Hi, I'm Ramona Samuels.
Yeah, the people, the town I'm raised in, the town is a good town.
Right here, build me. So I'm not gonna leave here.
Although I've been here all my life, I would like to go out and experience to know what it's like to be in other towns and other places as well.
Happy birthday to you. Hi, I'm Ramona Samuels, coming to you from Great George Street in Allman Town, Kingston, the very historic area that was once an upper middle class residential area, but now, similarly after emancipation, deteriorated because of social and cultural shifts in Jamaica. I'm going to be talking with some of the residents and shopkeepers in Allman Town, trying to find out if they got the opportunity to live and work uptown if they would take it, or perhaps they would build back Allman Town to the upper middle class residential hub that it was once known as immediately after emancipation. All right, don't you go anywhere. It's all about what's happening on Ramona Samuels TV, all brought to you today by The Voice Box, Jamaica's first ever voiceover production outlet. Let's do this. Now we're here with Rashawn, a young man born and bred in Allman Town. How are you, Rashawn?
I'm fine.
Did you know that Allman Town was once an upper middle class area? You were aware of that?
No, I wasn't aware of that.
What would you consider Allman Town to be in terms of how you would classify it?
My hometown, and although I've been here all my life, I would like to go out and experience to know what it's like to be in other towns and other places as well.
Okay, great then. So you got the opportunity to live uptown. You take that opportunity then?
Yeah, I'll take that opportunity, but I already got that opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
I have an aunt that lives uptown, and on the weekends I go and stay with her, like on the Saturdays and Fridays.
What's the main difference you've noticed about quote unquote uptown versus, I mean, you said Allman Town is your hometown. It's amazing, lots of history attached to Allman Town that, as I said before, was once an upper middle class area, but now primarily it's known as maybe an inner city or a lower income earning area. Would you say that so?
Well, yes, because when I'm up there, up in Uptown, it's more quiet than when I'm in Allman Town. Allman Town is more lively.
Lively in what aspect?
Like a lot of parties, a lot of crowd and excitement.
And what you prefer, the uptown style or your hometown style?
Well, to be honest, I prefer both of them.
Yeah. You weren't aware that Allman Town was once an upper middle class community then?
No.
Yes, this Allman Town was once an historic location, little bit after emancipation in the 1800s.
I never know that.
Now you know, this is your community. So you're saying to me, basically, if you got the chance to live uptown, you jump at that chance then, yes?
No, I'm not left my town to go uptown. What me I do? I hear some born and grow, I hear some I stay.
But uptown nice be, you know.
Uptown could have nice still look more, I hear some I stay. All when it make me feel like more I kill myself, I hear some I stay.
Jesus, God, I pray that you never do that.
Yeah, I'm born and grow, so I hear some I stay.
Basically, you're saying if you got a money or land, you will build back Allman Town.
Spend it in Allman Town or anywhere else.
Okay. What if your parents say we're moving next week? What you gonna do? No move with your parents?
I hear some I stay.
We are gonna stay with?
I have my granny.
Your granny?
Yeah, I can't stay with my granny, I go find a house.
What school you go to?
Holy Trinity.
Ah, Holy Trinity. What subjects you doing?
English, maths, and social studies.
All right, I wish the best for you in your school and your studies, and of course for the community of Allman Town. Who knows, you might be that youngster to grow up in the next 8 years, probably less, probably more, and uplift the community, because our community don't have to stay how it is, right? Because it's all about the minds of the people, I lie?
I don't lie.
Real talk. Anybody you want to shout out?
Big up one Sparta, you know. Prophet, and big up Raja, the blackest youth in Allman Town. And big up my father.
Are you aware that Allman Town was once an upper middle class community?
Yeah, man, it was good.
It was great. What do you think brought it down? Because some persons have it as an inner city.
The politics or whatever, why you just give against the money, yeah?
Oh, Jesus.
Hate them one another.
Oh,
No,
Lord. So, Maxine, if you got a chance to live uptown, you not take that chance, eh?
of course.
Jesus Christ, you want to build up Allman Town a little bit?
Of course.
But you not take the uptown chance. Which of the uptown them you think you don't want to live, though?
I got Beverly Hills, right?
Beverly Hills. I just say your Prime Minister live? Yes, Lord of His mercy.
And you know where we live? Yes.
That's true.
Yeah.
Now, what can you tell us about Allman Town that we don't quite know?
Well, this almost I thought the people, everywhere you go, the people, not the town. The town is all the people in the town. Yeah, the people. The town don't do anything. The town is a good town. The people.
And how long you've lived here?
Well, I'm living here I'm 65 years old now.
Young girl, same way, man.
Yeah, man. The place is alright. It was the people. I tell you, the people.
How long have you been working in the community of Allman Town?
Over 2 decades.
Over 2 decades. So you're seasoned, so you're well aware that it was once an upper middle class community.
Yes, yes, I do.
Can you give us any idea of how? I mean, we have an idea, but just from your view and what you have understood, why is it that Allman Town deteriorated over the years?
I don't know why, but I think maybe violence, because there's a lot of violence that happens. Sometimes I'm in my office and we can hear like things popping up, gunshots, things happening and all that. But I think maybe it's because of the violence.
But you're not deterred because after 2 decades of working a stone's throw.
I guess you have to work and it's my job, so, and I stay unless I need something. I actually come in the community, but other than that, it doesn't bother me.
Has the Ministry of Labour ever collaborated with the residents in terms of community projects or anything like that?
Maybe in the past, long ago. Yes, maybe in the past. I think so.
Any plans for maybe something like that for the residents?
I am not sure. I'm not sure.
Okay, now have you formed any friendships after working here for so long with the residents or the shop owners?
Yes, a lot of people. I know a lot of people know me because, as I say, I'm working over there for over 2 decades. So a lot of residents in the community know me and know me very well.
Now, if the residents, some of those who you are familiar with, you think they got an opportunity to live uptown, do you think that they would grab on that opportunity or perhaps they would stay here in Allman Town and uplift what we have here?
Can't really answer that question for the residents, but if I get the opportunity living in Allman Town and I get the opportunity to move, why wouldn't I want to move? I can't answer for the residents that are living inside here. But for me, if I was living in here and I get the offer, I would go.
Okay, wonderful, darling. Thank you so much for your time. You're looking good. Keep working smart.
Thank you very much. Okay, darling. Thank you.
All right, my people. Catching up with residents, catching up with workers close by. Ramona Samuels TV and The Voice Box. We're here giving the people of Jamaica, whether you're uptown, you're downtown, you're rich, you're poor, brown, yellow, green, the voice that they deserve to be heard. Now, are you aware that Allman Town was once an upper middle class residential area?
Well, for sure, yes. Yeah, I'm there quite long enough. I'm known, so when me come to Allman Town, party keep it like every day in a week. And now, once upon a time now, so it's like take time to get back together.
So if you got the chance to live uptown, Carlington, you'd take it?
Sure. Yeah, if I think I do enough and I get us something I really want to have like a change of liberty, you know?
I no lie. But if you could spread that liberty in terms of upgrading Allman Town, you think that's something you'd want to venture into? Or just uptown, you say, if you get that chance?
No, I mean, I really want to spread the love in Allman Town and come back to the like how it is stay at first. And then I don't know, I have a look at my grades. Somebody have a house at downtown, a house uptown. So more I feel I want to chill out, I go uptown. And then I want to get back with my family and just come back downtown, you see me?
Which part of uptown then you think you don't want to go to?
Like Cherrygarden or...
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well deserved. And you're a hard-working man. What kind of work you do?
I do detail cleaning. I clean like vehicle, roof, seat, sofa, carpet, asset, mattress. I sell like access to stainless chain, earring, anklet, and name all of them things.
Maddie.
The piercing, pierce ladies.
Pierce ladies? What's that?
The ears.
Oh, you pierce, the piercings. Okay. Nipples, you out of All right, Carlington, you're a businessman and very resourceful.
Sometimes summer come up and sell some guinea to us. I'm just a go getter. I'm sell them. I have a little box so I have walk. Even them youth can tell her. Sell my chain, my earring, my anklet, my bracelet, and more than them can sing there.
What's the biggest misconception about Allman Town?
Well, let me just say, people just want some love. Try them don't do love again. Be honest.
Jana, you know how you think we could have helped them with that love they are for understand that coming together as black people is the best bet?
Well, unity, you don't know unity, so unity, get everybody come together and know so we can party back again. For me, I really like the party back again, like, you see me? I know some places still good, like one time, so one time I want to go a party and near as I carry out so I can't go out there. So I don't feel really in a badness, but they don't know you want me preferring, you know? I don't really want to do this, so I'm going to stay out of ways, you know?
All right, Mr. Folks here, who is a resident of Allman Town for a long time. Since he was about 12, he's going to talk to us. He has such an inviting smile.
Just to run through this town.
What's the name of this road?
It's Hannah Street.
Hannah Street, all right.
You have Hannah, you have John, you have Sarah, you have Lord Elegant, you have Prince of Wales, you have Albert, all of these streets.
Who did they name these streets off of?
Most of them from English persons.
No Haitians, because I was told that Haitians usually reside in Allman Town as well in the 18th century.
Might, probably, but most of these names are English persons. Prince Albert, you know, Lord Elegant, you know, Prince of Wales, and that one run up there is Great George.
Yeah, we were on Great George Street. Now, what would you consider Allman Town to be outside of what everybody says it is? You as a resident since age 12.
Pleasant Town. You know, now and again I may have little, you know, but not regularly. You know, well, I'm here, I'm not in no trouble with this town. I grew up here.
People look at you as an elder, someone, a wise man in the community?
Yes.
Wonderful.
They know me as Mush. Everybody, if you go and say Harville, them don't know. But if you say Mush, everybody actually know me. Come play football, I play everything.
What a star!
Everything.
So, Moshe, if you got the opportunity to live uptown, would you take that opportunity or perhaps?
I don't want to move from this place.
Why not?
I love it so much.
What you love about Allman Town?
Resident people, people on a whole. Wow.
What would you like about the community to change, if any changes at all?
Well, you know, most of the houses, you know, really need some upliftment.
Right, so that means then if you got an uptown opportunity, you wouldn't go uptown, you would help to uplift and renovate and upgrade Allman Town. Bring it back to what it once was, where the race course was just across there, all the who's gathered in Allman Town and the surrounding areas.
Cycle sports, used to run bicycle race over there. It used to be a horse race in course once. You know, all of that. Everything come there.
Excellent.
Coney Highland, everything. Some of our heroes there over there.
Excellent. What are some of the upliftment activities or community concerts or programs that they have in Allman Town now?
Well, you know, I used to, you know, fool around some of the dances and all that, but since being a Christian, I don't do that again. But anyway, the town is wonderful. Wonderful town.
Any last words for the youth or any advice you want to give?
All I'm asking the youth to just stop what they're doing. If they're doing good, fine. But the bad things, leave that alone.
Family and friends, you know that we are in Allman Town, Kingston, as proud, wonderful black people, Jamaicans, and I'm here now with 15-year-old Kawain Edwards. You are born and bred in Allman Town, is that right?
Yes, miss.
And now you attend school, yes?
Yes, miss.
Close by. Yes. Are you aware that Allman Town was once an upper middle class area?
Like what you are meaning of that, miss?
Meaning that them have it as a garrison, you know. Some people that say ghetto, inner city. But in the 1800s, little bit after slavery, Allman Town was an uptown area where a lot of aristocrats, rich people gathered. And this, all the Great George Street, all the street them, you know, was a place that people wanted to live. You believe that?
Miss, na born time say more you know still about.
But that's history for you. So I have a question for you now. If you did get the opportunity to live uptown, if you'd have take it, or maybe you'd have build up back the garrison to what it once was.
People have guys, I left my place. That's some born and girl, that's some I stay.
What kind of upliftment you think that you would offer if you got the opportunity?
You don't know, miss.
Come on, you must have an idea, man. Come on and tell me, man. What you da do? Da build up your house?
Yeah,
And what else do you think the community needs?
just come to one and just
Come to one.
and start
Unity, strength.
violence and everything there.
War and violence keep over you more while.
Yeah, the friend and kill friend and
Ja,
fight
ja.
and everything there.
So you get afraid more while?
No afraid, born night.
You're born in Haiti. Jaja.
War, same go to.
But you are going to school and you plan to make a difference, not just for yourself, but for the community. Acho?
Yeah, cause me I play football.
So a ball is going to help you differently.
Yeah,
What you play? What position?
left wing.
Left wing.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. I want school you going to remind us again.
Kingston High.
Kingston High. All the best to you and thank you so much. I am here now with Joyce, a longtime resident of the Allman Town community. Thank you so much for speaking with us, Joyce. Now, I said to you earlier that Allman Town was once a upper middle class residential area with the racetrack not too far away and lots of rich history. If you got the opportunity to bring back Allman Town to that desirable location that it once was, would you do it? Or perhaps you would take that opportunity and go and live uptown, Joyce? Almost sound.
Well, to be truthful, it's in a year to me come to Allman Town.
What would you describe living in Allman Town for you right now?
It no bothers me because me no young now.
How old are you?
36.
Today's your birthday? Let's sing for Joyce. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Join in to you. Come now, eye from the camera. Happy birthday, dear Joyce. Happy birthday to you, beautiful. What a good, gracious feeling of being alive, Joyce.
Yeah.
Your birthday today. What you want for your birthday, Joyce?
Well, anything wasn't on my mind. Well, give God thanks for the breath of life.
Who you live with, Joyce?
Me live alone in my apartment, but these people
It's a yard for others as well.
yeah.
All right, Joyce. Yeah, family and friends. We've had a thorough day, warm in Allman Town, talking to residents, youngsters, and elders alike. And I feel very satisfied that I have touched base with my brothers and sisters in Jamaica. And I'm so glad that they were able to just, cooperate and give it a thought there. All right? So big up to everyone who had a conversation with us. Thank you to the cinematographer, Robin. And just big up the whole Jamaica land we love. Yes, it is true that a lot of the garrisons in Jamaica was once an upper middle class area. Enough people don't know, elders and youths alike. And because of social changes, cultural and political indecisiveness, things went awry for lots of different communities. But They're always bright minds of Jamaica, and we're looking forward to what changes for the better can come. Remember, I am Ramona Samuels, founder of Jamaica's first ever voiceover production outlet, The Voice Box, and we are here for you, giving you that voice. The Voice Box makes you known.